Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
Alright, so this is the 14th freeway going south. I've got my son
Jeez.
out of Palmdale. We're in Acton. We're heading towards Santiago Road, which is the next exit, and I want to show you what the traffic's like. Even though it's a snow flurry, a lot of people heading north, and I think just as many going south. So luckily a lot of the drivers are driving carefully. At times the speed is only like 25-30. Cars are passing through. We don't see any snow plows, but you know the road is open, and oh, what was that?
Careful.
Did I just snow plow there?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, but there's this one guy right behind us who just seems to want to drive really close. So if you look on the other side, the northbound lanes, you see the heavy traffic, but actually the snow is not that thick on the road because there's so many cars passing through. But trust me, it's very slippery. It's treacherous, and this guy doesn't seem to care, and he's, yeah. Oh, it's a ladybug. Alright. Well, good luck to you. And yeah, so I'm actually driving this Toyota Tundra. Yeah, look at all the yellow, white lights on the other side. You just see how heavy the traffic is leaving LA, heading towards Lancaster and beyond. There it is, folks. Alright.